To get to the Yarriabini National Park, you drive along Wayway Road and you turn a left onto Tower Road. You follow that through for about 3 kilometres until you reach the signs to Yarriabini National Park. It's a dirt road and the scenery is beautiful along some creek sides and just lots of beautiful tropical scenery. He's huge! So this is the Pines picnic area. You can see it's really peaceful here. There's so much bird life and you've got some massive ghost gums that are surrounding you that are super tall and some really tall pines, as you can see up there. You can also hear the running river, which is just spectacular. And here's the other section of the picnic area. So you can see there's loads of tables, and if you look up, there's just a mixture of rainforesty trees and ghost gums, and these ghost gums are super tall. So you can imagine the bird life here. It's just beautiful. So this artwork was created by a man called Richard and Sharon Smith, and they were nominated by some Aboriginal elders. This is this is who have created this beautiful art piece. Some Aboriginal artwork through it. We've got a platypus piece right here. It's just the detail on this is so beautiful. It's just amazing. It would have taken them so long to decorate this piece. Yeah, it's just a gorgeous spot. Plenty of picnic tables, lots of shade here, so it would be perfect for summertime. And there's also some fire pits, this little place where you can cook a barbecue on. Just beautiful. So we're just doing the little 300-metre loop to the picnic area. It's called Discovery Trail. So this is an ancient brush box. It is gigantic. Picnic area. So walking along, you can see these huge strangler figs. They're massive root systems. They're just gorgeous. And the bird life is so abundant here. So all of this runs along the creek. So I don't know if you can see, there's a creek running in the distance there.
There's a big one.
And we've gotten here the Yarriabini lookout.
Probably the most expensive year I've seen. Hey?
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. And it's not a scary view?
Yeah, because that's stuff off
Yeah.
the
Like I could look stand here again, yeah.
Gone over, there's a sign.